Hello dear patients, this is Dr. Serkan. I'm working in Istanbul, Turkey in my private clinic. In this video, I will try to explain you the newest technology called as Renuvion Gel Plasma. This is going to be our topic for this video, and it's a very important topic for all patients because everybody is asking for this device, and of course it's not a miracle, but it's the latest technology that we can use for the skin tightening processes. Okay, so let me explain you in step by step. So the main idea to use this device is coming from the liposuction surgeries. So when you have a liposuction surgery, you work on the fat area. The fat is located between the skin and between the muscle. So between skin and muscle, you just remove the fat cells inside. So after the lipo, what's left in this area? Only the fibrous septas, the fibrous connective works is only remaining on here because they have a duty. They just keep the skin attached to the muscle. So they just stay in a vertical line, but you can remove all the fat cells inside. So what happens after? If you remove everything, every fat cells below, the skin is going to heal anyway. But when it's healing, the septas, the fibrous tissues, is normal. The main tissue is the whole skin, but they are very long because the skin was enlarged. So we want these skin fibrous septas to become smaller. So in order to make this, normally the body does it itself, but it needs some help, and it's going to be very improved healing process. And this device is working for this. So when you finish with the liposuction, you just enter inside with this cannula, and with this device you give some heat to that fibrous septums, and these fibrous attachments becomes shorter because it gives very high amount of heat inside, and these septums becomes contracted. The contraction means also the skin contraction, so it's also correlated with the skin tightening processes. So the idea is simple, but how it works? It has an entrance for the helium gas inside, and it has a metal plate just in front. From this plate we give the plasmatic energy with helium, and also you give radio frequency energy, the RF energy, inside the tissues. So when you enter inside, it finds the septas, the septums or the columns, and it gives the energy. It attaches all the septums which is close to the area, and it gives heat. It gives plasmatic energy, and also it uses the helium gas to cool the area. That's why it doesn't make any superficial skin damage. It only heats the fibers and in the working area, and it doesn't give any extra heat to damage your skin. That's why it's really safe. And also with this plate, the energy distribution goes to the all areas, but you have to work it precise, and you have to work in all areas, in different areas, in the lipo areas. But it can be used for all sides of body. We usually use it for the chin lipos to tighten the skin. We use it for the stomach, the love handles, thighs, and especially the arms. These are very good points to use this device. But this device cannot help you if you have an indication for a skin removal surgery like tummy tuck or like arm lift surgeries. This device only can help the indications with liposuction patients. So even all the liposuction patients, they can touch their skin, and after the surgery, without this device, of course, every skin becomes a little bit loose. It doesn't mean that everybody needs a tummy tuck, of course, but the skin laxity always goes in negative way. So in very loose skin patients, this device can be helpful to prevent extra sagging after surgery, because all surgeries like liposuction surgeries is going to damage your skin, is going to make your skin elasticity more, and your skin is going to be more saggy. It's sometimes tolerable, it's sometimes not tolerable. So this device can help you to have more chance to fight with loose skin. And also it can be used for high definition patients either, because in high definition the lines we put is so important, because if you have a loose skin with high definition, then the lines can be not straight, or the lines can look really fake. So This indication for J plasma can be decided with you and your doctor, of course. And if you have an indication of tummy tuck or mini tummy tuck or an arm lift or a thigh lift, don't think about this, okay? Believe your doctor. If you have an indication, go for that skin removal surgeries. But if you only have a very limited loose skin, and this device can be tried. You can try this one in your surgeries, and in the future, maybe 6 months or 9 months after the surgery, if you're not satisfied, you can still have the skin removal surgeries. Okay, thanks. See you soon.